Hi guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate iOS Game Center with your app so you can show to the users the leaderboard and unlock achievements. So let's start. First you need to make a project if you don't have a project, or open your current project, the game you need to add the Game Center to. Next you need to go to the signing and capabilities. You will click on add capability, then search for Game Center, double click on it, it will be added here. Next we will go to the storyboard, and for our view controller we will add four buttons, four different buttons. So the first one, it will be to show the achievements. Show achievements. The second one, to show the leaderboards. The third one will be to unlock an achievement, and the fourth one will be to submit a score. Okay, now you'll select the view controller .swift. We'll add IB actions. First one, show achievement. Second one, show leaderboards. Third, unlock achievement. And the last one is submit. Okay, so before you'll be able to submit the score or do anything or show the achievement screen, you need to authenticate the user. So we'll make new function to authenticate the user. So authenticate user. Private func authenticate user, and inside this one we will call it in the view.load. So when you just open the screen, we will try to authenticate the user. So first we need to make an object from player gk game. Before doing that, we need also to import the game center GameKit. Now GameKit local player, we'll make an object from that, and GameKit local player dot local. Now we'll use that player to authenticate handler equal. So this authenticate handler take a closure with view controller and error. So in case of error, we will go back, we will return, and we need to do something. Maybe we need to show this error but for this tutorial I'm just gonna print it. And if there's no error, we need to show this view controller. So self.present view controller animated through completion null. So in this way we authenticated the user. So let's try to run. I'll just take this here. Okay, as you see, the game center view controller open. The user now need to authenticate. I'll stop the video. I will log in, then I will show you again. So yeah, I entered my username and password. Now I'm getting authenticated. And now, so the app crashed because I am unforced wrapping the view controller, and then sometimes this view controller will be null if the user already logged in. So what you need to do is you need to unwrap it. If let view controller equal the view controller, if there is a value, then we will use it. Let's try to run again. Yeah, so we logged in, I think. Okay, so now what we will do, when the user click on show achievement, we will so now when the user click on show achievements, we will show the achievements for the user, the list of the achievements. And when he click on the leaderboard, we'll do the same, we will show the leaderboard. But before that, to be able to see the achievements and leaderboards, you need to go to your app, then you need to click on features, then game centers. I already have an app and I already have added one leaderboard and 8 achievements. It's an easy process to do. You click on the add leaderboard, single leaderboard. Yeah, you will enter the reference name, leaderboard ID. This will not appear to the user, any of them. Uh, you will select the score format and how the score will be submitted. So if you select best score, it will always take the best score from the user. If you select another one, it will take the most recent score. And you can select the sort order and the score range. And you can add the languages here. This is what the user will see. When you add language for English or Arabic, the user will see this. And then you will click save. So I have already added one to my game. If I click on that, You will see I entered all the details. You will see here in English, Hindi, and Arabic, all the languages. Smart players in Hindi and Arabic also the same one. So for the achievements, it's also the same. You will do almost the same. You click on add the achievements. You will enter the name, achievement ID, points, and you will add the title for each achievement in different language, and you can add in one language if you want. Now we need two different things from the screen after adding everything. We need the leaderboard ID and the achievement ID. We will use the achievement ID to unlock the achievements. So let's go back to our view controller. So to open the achievements view controller, we will make an instance from the uh, game center view controller, GameKit game center view controller, and we will set the delegate as self. You will get an error, but just ignore it for now. View state, there's different choices: achievement, challenges, and leaderboards. For us, we will show the achievements, so we'll select achievements. Then present the view controller, animated through no completion. So for this, to remove this error, we need to implement one view protocol to our view controller, and this protocol is the game center controller delegate. So we'll write extension. You'll take our view controller name, extension controller. We'll implement the game center controller delegate, and we need to implement one function, game center view controller did finish. We will select game, we write game center view controller, this parameter dot dismiss true and completion null. So when the view controller finish, when the game center view controller finish, what we will do, we will just dismiss it. So now show achievement, we already implemented that. Let's also implement the show leaderboard. It's the same thing, we will use the same type of view controller, GameKit game center view controller dot game center delegate equals self. The view state will be this time the leaderboard instead of achievements. Then there's an extra thing, it is the leaderboard identifier. Which leaderboard do you want the user to see when he click on the leaderboards button? Then we will present this view controller animated through completion null. So from where you will get this leaderboard identifier, you can get it from the place we added the leaderboard from iTunes Connect. You need just to copy this ID and use it here. So let's try to run the app again and see what will happen. Show achievements. It's loading. As you see, it's now showing the list of achievements. You click on done. Show leaderboards. It is showing for us the leaderboards, the list of the users. This app, it's already on the store, so because of that there is some users It's my app. You can also check it out. It's called The Bath. Done. Now we need to unlock an achievement. Okay, so to unlock an achievement, we need to make first an object from achievement. Achievement equal game center achievement, and we will set the identifier. You can get the identifier from the um, App Store Connect. So you will select which one you need to unlock. So for me, I need, let's say, to unlock the 800 level. Okay, I'll take this ID. Then you need to set the percent of completion. The percent of completion it should be from 0 to 100. If you put it as an 100, it will be unlocked. So I'll put it as 100. Achievement show completion banner. It's to show the banner in the top that this achievement completed. I'll see it as true. Then you need to write GameKit achievement dot report. So what this one will do, it will report for you a list of achievements, but for us it's just one achievement, so we will send an array with one achievement. But if you need to send more achievements, you can just add more achievement as you want. And it takes a completion with an error. So if there is an error, what we will do, we will return and we will print that error. Else you can do whatever you want. I'll print done. You can show something for the user or do anything you want. Now to report a score, to submit a score, we will use something else called GameKit score. So it's score equal GameKit score, and it will take the identity or the leaderboard identifier. So from where you will get the leaderboard identifier, you will get it from here, from the iTunes Connect. I'll select the leaderboard ID. Now score dot value, it's the value of the score. So if the user scored 100, you will put it as 100. Then GameKit score dot report. Then you can also the same thing, you can report multiple scores, but for us we'll show one score, and it came with completion. So we'll do the same thing in this completion. If there's an error, we'll print it, else we will print done. Let's try to run the app again. Okay, let's see first the achievements. As you can see here, still I didn't pass the 800, I didn't unlock the 800 achievements. So if we go back and unlock the achievement, as you can see here down, it's showing done. And if you click on show achievements, it will be unlocked. Same thing for the scores. As you can see here, still I don't have the 100 score. So let's go back and submit the score, and it's the same. I get done, that means that it's already submitted. Show, as you can see here, it's 100. So that's it. This is how you can implement the achievements and leaderboards in iOS. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and that will make me also make more videos because I know that there's someone is watching. Thank you guys.